Hi guys, it's me Monster for my own cookies. Now it's been quite some time since any of us have done a video on here. Um, so I've d- I've had one idea for a poem and it's basically my standard stuff, um, which is gothic. Sometimes when I'm like really low, I do write gothic poetry. That's not all to say that all goths do gothic poetry in that sort of sense. We don't. It's just it helps me sometimes. It helps make me feel better sometimes to get out. You know. Anyway, just listen to it if you want to. The title's called Rain River, and it goes like this: My pain forever rain, drip and drop onto the face of the river, past the huge rock with two holes, streaming around the crevice, forever rain of pain, created to evaporate or soaked in through the cracks, ready to reappear in any time of great sorrow that is never really borrowed. I know what you're thinking. May some of you may say it's good, some of you may say it's bad. It all depends on how you view it. It's not my best work, but it's something. I don't know if you guys like it or not. If you don't, you don't. If you do, you do. Um, it's been a while since I've written down any ideas, to be honest. So anyway, this is Monster over and out.